Hop into the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This good-looking CR-V Hybrid delivers future-focused efficiency, convenient versatility, and a rugged sense of adventure. Modern style, forward-thinking innovation, spacious comfort, and an impressive array of safety and infotainment tech make this crossover ideal for today's active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Get the fuel efficiency you need and the style and versatility you want in this ingenious CR-V Hybrid. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.